The Caribbean has been emerging as a capital market powerhouse, with the Jamaica Stock Exchange being listed among the best performing stock exchanges in the world twice in the last 5 years. But did you know that the Barbados Stock Exchange is the third largest in the English-speaking Caribbean? I'm Kalila Reynolds, and it's time for another episode of Money Mondays JA. Money Mondays JA is brought to you by Proven Wealth. Visit provenwealth.com to speak to an investment advisor today, and follow We Are Proven on social media. And Bulwark Insurance Agency. Looking for affordable insurance? Visit bulwarkja.com. Follow them on social media at officialbulwarkja. Now, before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on those post notifications. Also, subscribe to our newsletter by clicking the link up here or in the description box below. You'll get access to a transcript of this episode so that you can just read at your leisure and really digest the information, right? So, the Barbados Stock Exchange, or BSC, is one of the 5 major stock exchanges in the English-speaking Caribbean. The others are the Eastern Caribbean Securities Exchange, the Jamaica Stock Exchange, of course. You have the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, and then there's the Guyana Stock Exchange. And we covered Guyana a few weeks ago. You can check out that episode up here or in the description box below. Now, the story of the BSC is an interesting one. The exchange was originally founded in 1987 as the Securities Exchange of Barbados, but was reincorporated and renamed in 2001. The BSC currently has 21 listed securities, and trading takes place Monday to Friday. These securities are a combination of government bonds and also shares in companies that mainly operate in the consumer goods and financial services industries. A few of the securities listed on the BSC are also cross-listed on other regional and international exchanges. For example, Sagicor Financial Corporation is listed on both the BSC and the London Stock Exchange. One Caribbean Media is also listed on the BSC and the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund is on the BSC, TTSC, and the JSC. Now, the BSC has 3 main indices: the main market, the innovation and growth market, and the international securities market. The innovation and growth market, formerly known as the junior market, is specifically geared towards small and medium-sized companies. These are companies with gross assets worth at least 500,000 Bajan dollars. That's around 247,000 US. They should also have at least 200,000 Barbados dollars, Bajan dollars, or about 99,000 US in equity capital. The international securities market, as the name suggests, allows for securities from across the world to be listed and traded on the BSC, while the main market is where most of the action occurs, with most securities being listed there. However, trading on the BSC is not nearly as robust as it is on the JSC. When you look at their trading reports, you'll see that only 1 or 2 companies' stocks trade each day. Share prices on the BSC range from 30 Bajan cents, which is about 15 cents US, to about 31 Bajan dollars, or roughly $15 US. For comparison, prices on the JSC currently range between less than 1 Jamaican dollar, which is less than 1 cent US, to over 1,000 Jamaican dollars, or about 7 US dollars. It's important to remember that not all shares on the BSC get traded daily. So whereas the prices on the JSC will fluctuate based on daily trading, over on the BSC, some prices stay the same for days, sometimes weeks, maybe even months, because no one is buying or selling them. So let's talk about how you can invest in the Barbados Stock Exchange. It's pretty simple, actually. Just like in Jamaica, the BSC has a list of authorized brokers who will get you started with an investment account and an advisor to help you decide what investments are best for you and your money. The BSC also has a neat little form that you can fill out that will help both you and your financial advisor figure out what works best. Well, that's it for this episode of Money Mondays JA. Now, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and sign up for my newsletter at KalilaReynolds.com/newsletter, where you can read a transcript of this episode. You can click the link in the description box below. Also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok on Kalila Ray, and Facebook at Kalila Reynolds Media, and find us on your favorite podcasting platform, including Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Amazon Music. I'm Kalila Reynolds. Let's get this money. Money Mondays JA was brought to you by Proven Wealth. Visit provenwealth.com to speak to an investment advisor today, and follow We Are Proven on social media, and Bulwark Insurance Agency. Looking for affordable insurance? Visit bulwarkja.com. Follow them on social media at official bulwarkja.